water absorbing organ. In plant water relation up to 8, we have discussed about the importance of water in the life of living organism. Water is considered as elixir of life. Instead of that, we have discussed the properties of water, as water shows a high heat of vaporization, high specific heat, high heat for fusion, and high surface area. It is acts as a solvent which helps to dissolve the number of solute molecules. Instead of that, water shows an property related to the cohesive force and adhesive force. It also shows a greater surface tension, and due to all those things, water is helpful for the transport of minerals from the soil, from the root towards the top of a plant body. If we take the water absorbing organ present into the plant body, this is mainly the root. Root is helpful for absorption of water and mineral inside the plant body. This terrestrial plant absorbs the water from the soil in a liquid form. If we take some epiphytic plant like Vanda, these plant shows their growth into the dense forest. One plant grows on the branches of huge plant body, so called as a epiphytic plant. In those epiphytic plant, there is a formation of epiphytic root, and epiphytic root which contains a special tissue which meant for the absorption of moisture from the atmosphere, and this tissue is called as Wellman. Instead of that, you can observe this typical root. Structure of typical root shows 4 different regions. As first, region of maturation, region of absorption, region of elongation, and region of cell division, also called as meristematic region. In this meristematic region, one can observe there are presence of dividing cell, and these dividing cell are protected with the help of a root cap. Behind the meristematic region, in that zone of elongation, the size and the length of a cell, it goes on increasing. After that, there is a presence of region of absorption. In the region of absorption, one can observe the epidermal cells called as the epiblema cell of the root, leads to the formation of an hair-like extension called as a root hair. And mind it, root hair is the only structure present on the plant root is helpful for absorption of water and mineral from the soil. If we take the typical structure of a root hair, in this typical structure of root hair, one can observe the root hair, they shows their growth from the epiblema. Epiblema is an outermost covering of the root. From this outer covering of the root, which is called as epiblema, there is a formation of extension, and this extension is called as root hair. Now the entire structure of root hair, you can observe, it shows its length up to 10 millimeter, and these root hair are short-lived, called as a ephemeral in their nature. Now see here, the nucleus of root hair cell, it is prominent. It shows a large vacuole, and in around this large vacuole there is a presence of thin film of the cytoplasm. Around this cytoplasm there is a presence of cell membrane, and cell membrane which shows a plasma membrane and cell wall. Plasma membrane of the root hair is selectively permeable, and cell wall of the root hair, it is also thin and it is freely permeable. The cell wall of the root hair shows 2 different layers. Outer layer of the cell wall is formed with the help of pectin, and inner layer of the cell wall is formed with the help of cellulose. Now you can revise all those things about the structure of root hair. Root hair is an cytoplasmic extension get arise from the epiblema cell. Each root hair may be approximately up to 10 mm in its length. It is short-lived, it is unbranched, and as it is short-lived, called as an ephemeral in its nature. The root hair shows a large central vacuole surrounded by thin film of cytoplasm. This thin film of cytoplasm of root hair is covered with the help of plasma membrane and cell wall. This plasma membrane and cell wall shows a nature related to the absorption of water. Plasma membrane is freely permeable, cell wall is freely permeable and plasma membrane is selectively permeable. Outer layer of the cell wall is formed with the help of a pectin and inner layer of the cell wall is formed with the help of cellulose. Now you can observe the water which is available to the roots for absorption from the atmosphere.